Hello students, welcome to Samaksha section. We shall discuss today about the noun. A noun is a word used to name a person, place or thing. Now this thing is a very wide term. It implies to concrete things as well as abstract things. Now what is that concrete things? Concrete things means things that we can touch and we can see also. Suppose this glass I can touch, this torch I can touch, isn't it or not? I can see, isn't it? Then this comb I can see, I can touch. So these are called what? Concrete things. But some things are there we cannot touch. No, we cannot touch. Now what is that? No. Now what is that? That is actually called abstract things. Now abstract things are like feelings, qualities, states, actions, arts, etc. Now what is that feelings? Feelings like happiness, sad, joy, no? Then actions means what? Any actions, deed, treatment, race. These are called actions. Qualities like justice, mercy, politeness. All these are what? Qualities. States means no? Poverty, misery, hungry. These are called states. Now what are that? Arts. No, arts also comes under abstract things. Now what are that? Poetry, music, painting. These are arts. Then subjects. English, history, geography, these are subjects. Why I am talking to you about these things? Because whenever we talk about nouns, students they confuse among concrete things and abstract things. That's why I would like to clear to you. So I hope so it is cleared now. Okay? Whenever we talk about a noun, I said that a noun is a word used to name a person and then place and thing. Now thing is clear to you? Abstract things and concrete things. Now there are several kinds of noun. Common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Now let us know about their definitions. A proper noun is a name given to a particular person, place or thing to single it out from others of its kind. Proper name. Like for persons, there are so many names. Your name also. In your family, there are so many members. Like your father's name, maybe Mr. Gupta, isn't it or not? And your name, that particular name will come under what? Proper noun. Then common noun. A common noun is the common name given to persons, places or thing of the same kind. Then collective nouns. A collective noun is a name given to a collection of similar common nouns, persons, animals or things taken as one complete whole. Okay, collective noun. Now if I ask you collective noun, suppose I have a pencils, isn't it? When all these pencils together, then what we will say? Bundle of pencils, isn't it? Then bundle will be what? Collective noun. Now suppose there I have a garland. Suppose this is a string of beads. String is a what? Collective noun. Like that. Okay? Material noun. A material noun is the name given to a material of which various objects are made. Suppose I am wearing a earring, isn't it? It is made of what? Gold. So gold is a material. And this glass is what? Made up with glass only. So this glass is a material noun. So like this, and this is made of sponge. Sponge is a material, this ball. No? So like that, These names are called material noun. Then comes an abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name given to some feeling, action, quality, state, art or subject, etc. That I explained earlier also. No, when I have given you about with the definition of a noun. Okay. Now I have to clear to you difference between a common noun and a proper noun. Students, they confuse in it. Suppose if I say pens, okay, these are, I have pens, okay, see. So when I will say in common all these together, I will say pens. But these pens have a particular name. When I say this is Rotomec pen, so proper noun, okay. Then this one also has name. Today's roller ball. No, see, this is Octon. This is today's, and this is Flair Big Writer. No, name of this pens. So altogether I will say pens, and then each one has its particular name. So when it has a particular name, that particular name, then it will come under what? Proper noun. Same way I have few watches here. See, when I will say all together, I will say watches, isn't it? When I have to say about the proper noun among this, all these are watches, but they have their particular name. Suppose this watch is Sonata, this one is Timex, this one is Mama's, Masma, this one is Sonata. So like this, all they have their particular name. So each one will come under what? Proper noun. Like this, students. Okay? So like suppose you have your friends. No? When I will say all together friends, but each friend has a particular name. Rahim, Raju, no? Rahul, whatever may be, no? So that name particular, your friend will be what? Proper noun. You have your friends like Silpa, no? Sania, Minu, all this. Then when this particular name with a particular person, that will be what? Proper noun. Okay, students? Then there are other nouns also, like countable noun, uncountable noun, isn't it? Then countable noun means nouns that can be counted. Uncountable nouns means nouns that cannot be counted. So I have so many things around me here. Now all these can be counted. Now suppose I have watches here. There are 4 watches, isn't it or not? So I can count. So this watch will be what? Countable nouns. Now suppose pens. No, I have pens here and that can be counted. I have 4 pens here, isn't it? So this will be what? Countable noun. But rice, sugar, no, all this cannot be counted. So this will come under uncountable noun. Clear, students? So when I come back to collective noun, once again I would like to give you some examples. Okay, once again, suppose if I say pile of books. Now this pile of books, altogether these books I have, and if I say pile of books, then pile will be what? Collective noun, isn't it? Now when I say the bundle of pencils, I have pencils, then bundle will be what? Collective noun. Then this beads, a string of beads, string will be what? Collective noun. So we have studied today what is a noun, then several kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective noun and abstract noun. And with this, always remember, students, a proper noun always starts with a capital letter, begin with a capital letter. I hope so. Noun is clear to you. Thank you, students. If you liked my video, you can like, share and subscribe.